Here is LONGi Hi-MO 5, a stylish all-black solar panel from one of the world's leading manufacturers, LONGi Solar. This module measures 68 by 45 inches and offers a rated power output of 400 watts. In typical operating conditions, you can expect about 300 watts per panel. The panel has a bifacial design, which means that it captures sunlight from both sides, increasing output by up to 25%. Combined with over 20% efficiency, it can provide a reliable source of energy for your home. LONGi Solar is a Chinese brand, one of the biggest in the world. Unlike many Chinese brands, though, it offers exceptional warranties for this module. The panel is backed by a 25-year product warranty and a 30-year power output warranty. After 30 years of operation, you can expect the panel to retain at least 85% of its initial power. Just like any other solar panel in the US, it is eligible for solar tax credit, and you will be able to deduct 30% of the PV installation cost from your income taxes.